Hey there, guys. How often have you heard this in a Zoom meeting? Yes, sorry, I can't hear you. Yeah, I still can't hear you. In this video, I'm going to be covering the two most common audio Zoom issues that I've come across. And trust me, this is from someone who uses Zoom every single day. First issue that I'm going to be touching on is, are you actually using your listening device, even though you may have it plugged in? And are you actually using your mic? And the second issue is voice isolation. What is that all about, and why is it such a game changer? All right, so chop chop, let's get right to it. So first thing you want to do is go right down to the bottom left-hand corner, and you see your audio button. Don't click on that, that'll mute it. You want to click on the up arrow. All right, so as you can see right here, on your speaker section, I am using my earpods right now. If I click on my iMac speakers, that audio is going to be actually coming through my PC speakers or my laptop speakers, whatever you have. So if you're in a public place, you probably want to have your actual earpods or your earphones plugged in. Now, if we go up here to the microphone section, this is something else a lot of people have problems with because they may actually have their ear listening device plugged in, but it's not actually selected or enabled. And trust me, I've come across people who have these fancy mics and they're not actually even using these mics because they're not actually enabled. So make sure that you have this selected. So right now I'm using my EarPods mic, which is right here. But listen to the difference when I actually turn on my iMac mic. So if I turn this on, this is actually going to be using the external mic that is on my iMac, or in your case, your laptop or PC, whatever the case may be. Listen to the difference. Can you see a difference now? Should be a pretty big difference right now. So let's go back up and turn off. I mean, like, your external mic is good, but it could sound so much better if you're utilizing, in my case, my EarPods mic. So I'm going to turn it back on now, and I should be back using this mic right here. This can also be tested by just going to your test speaker and microphone, go through that process if you want to check out what is actually enabled. And one quick little thing that I want to add is that I used to use my AirPods for all my Zoom meetings, but then I just stopped because I realized, yeah, it is super convenient because I don't have these wires dangling from my ears, but the mics on them are not very good. So the person who's listening on the other end kind of sounds like you're talking into a tin can. Whereas if you're using a wired device like these mics are just so much better, as you can tell right now. Now, if you're an Apple user, you have access to a feature that's called voice isolation. It's something like your earpods with voice cancellation. Well, this is voice isolation. This means that whatever sound is going on in the background, your mic is going to process that and just cut it right out and just focus on your voice. So the way that you do it on your Apple device, or in this case, my iMac, I'm going to go up and click on this green button right here, the camera, which could also be an orange button and look something like this. Then I'm going to go down to the very bottom here and click on mic mode. So you can see right now I have voice isolation selected. Sometimes though, I do turn this off because if I'm in a situation where I'm playing something on YouTube, I want the person to be able to hear it. So I'll turn on standard mode. That means that none of the sounds coming through YouTube will be blocked. Then after I finish playing a YouTube video, I'll turn voice isolation back on, so then they can just hear my voice and all that backroom jazz is blocked out. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. Hope this is helpful. If you got anything out of this video, think about subbing and give me a thumbs up on this video and hitting the bell button so you'll see other future videos on my channel. See ya.